I've been getting money, baby, this is just not new to me. I changed my swag, so my drip will match all of my jewelry. I switched the flow on the beats, so the fans know it's me. I pray to God and load my Glock before I go to sleep now. What you know about concentration, hard work, and dedication? Mama, I just graduated, can you feel my heart racing? What you know about sending shots? What you know about spinning blocks?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Drizzy Dre, and I'm back again with another banger. And today, I'm gonna show you how to instantly enhance your waves. And the method we finna do today is called the clay and lay method, which I know y'all familiar with. I've done this method in another video before, but I wanted to do a better version of this method because I forgot to do a wash and style in the video I dropped in March. If y'all don't know what the clay and lay is, it's basically a method that'll keep your hair extra cleaner than before because it basically detoxes your hair. It'll keep your waves extra laid, and it will give it the best shine you ever had in your waves at the end. And the ingredients you need for the clay and lay is this clay and lay mask you can buy at your local Walmart. You need it mixed with apple cider vinegar, and you can add any type of oil you want. And the oils I use in this video is castor oil and grapeseed oil. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now the first thing you have to do is comb out your hair to make sure all parts are detangled before you wash it. Now I'm gonna add shampoo and then rinse it out with warm water to keep my pores open, because once I rinse it out the first time, my hair will be a lot cleaner, and then we'll give it better lather the second time I add shampoo. Now I'm going to start brushing in the pattern with the detangle brush. Now I'm going to start to use my hard brush to brush my pattern a lot better. Now I'm adding castor oil to my hair to make sure my hair stays moisturized after that wash. Now I'm gonna rack up and then double compress, and then I'm gonna rinse this shampoo out with cold water. Now I'm gonna start to add the clay inside my hair now.
Now I'm gonna start to add the clay all over my face and my beard, because it'll start to keep my skin really clear and it'll keep my beard really healthy. Now I'm gonna start to use my hard brush, because brushing your hair with the clay inside it will definitely help your pattern look a lot times better than before, because your hair is laid, and while the brush is pushing the hair from your scalp, this will help push out forks and keep your hair extra laid. Now I'm going to start patting down my hair until it turns dry, so every part of it will be laid. Now I'm gonna rack up and then double compress again while I rinse this out with cold water. Then I'm gonna show you the results.
YouTube! This is the results of my clay and lay method. And if you like this method, make sure you leave a comment right down below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to your boy, Juicy Dre. So I'm out of here.